Hi. In the TradingView Pine script tutorial, today, we will see an indicator called Auto Fibonacci Retracement. This is how the indicator looks. It connects the highest high and lowest low points in a particular session and draws the Fibonacci retracement levels accordingly. It perfectly monitors if the latest point is the higher high or the lowest low. For example, here, the latest point is the highest high. And the lowest low is in the past. So the current Fibonacci levels are bullish. This is how the input panel of the indicator looks. From here, you can modify the Fibonacci levels. You may change their colors. Also, you may turn those levels on or off. Okay. Now, let's do the action replay on the chart and see how this indicator would behave in real time. See, I have started the action replay, and as of now, 2 candles in the current session have been formed. Since the latest point is the lowest low, a slant gray line is drawn joining the highest high and lowest low points. The line is going downwards. And accordingly, the Fibonacci levels are drawn. The 0 level is at the top and the 1 level is at the bottom. See, a new lowest low point, so the Fibonacci levels are changed. Now we have a bunch of inside candles. So the Fibonacci levels stay as they are. Now the latest point is the highest high. So the slant gray line has turned upwards. And accordingly, the Fibonacci levels are drawn. The 0 level is at the bottom and the 1 level is at the top. Again, a new highest high point. Now, there are a bunch of sideways candles, so the Fibonacci lines stay as they are. And this is the final picture. The latest point is the highest high. So the Fibonacci levels are bullish. We are looking at all this on the 15-minute chart. We can see the same output on any intraday chart. See, now we are on the 1-minute chart. And here also we see the highest high and lowest low points of the day joined, and the Fibonacci levels drawn accordingly. Now we are on the 1-hour chart. The output is the same. Okay. I'm making this indicator freely available for everyone to use. The link to the indicator is given in the description box under this video. Copy and paste that link in a browser. You will see such a page. Here, click this Add to Favorites button. Scroll down a little. Here, you will see my TradingView profile name. Please follow if you like. Then, open any intraday chart. Go to the Indicators section. Now, select the Favorites option. Here, you will find the woh.it.wala Auto Fib Retracement indicator. Click it. Now you can use it for free. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.